Today let me introduce you our Pendulum impact testing system. This is the host machine for the impact tester. This machine is the electric notch broaching machine. It is used for process V-notch and or U-notch our impact specimen. And this one is the low temperature chamber. In temperature range, it has minus 60 degree, minus 80 degree, minus 100 or minus 196 degree. After we are cooling the specimen, we will put on the impact tester for impact test. This impact tester in impact energy, it has 300 joule, 450 joule, 600 joule, and 750 joule. This one is 300 joule. Okay. Now this is the electric broaching machine. This machine, the top part is a full enclosed safety cover. The inside it has two V-notch. It can process two samples at the same time. First we open the power and click oil pump and click cutter lifting. And then we will insert two samples on the sample seat. Rotate the screw to tighten the sample. And click cutting. Loosen the screw and take out the sample. It's a V-notch, a U-notch. This is the low temperature chamber. The minus can be set minus 60 degree centigrade. And the inside is easy alcohol. For the first time, the customer need to fill into 5 liters easy alcohol. And after we process V-notch or U-notch on impact specimen, we put the sample into the basket, sample basket. And here is the real-time temperature. Now it is minus 56 degree. After reach to minus 60 degree, it will enter into timing. Here is setting 5 times. After 5 times is reached, it will auto buzzing to remind you the sample have been well prepared. And later we can take out the specimen, put it on the impact tester for impact test. Before test, we click New to input the sample information. For example, the test standard. And the sample is V-notch or U-notch. The sample length, width, height, and depth. After that, click OK. In the software, first we click Up button. We take out the specimen from the low temperature chamber and quickly put on the sample seat for impact test. After we put on the specimen on the sample seat and the pendulum lift up, Before test, we first click Open button, and then click Impact. The pendulum will be auto-hung. Prepare for the next time test. Click Pendulum up. The cylinder will automatically extend out. It is used for position of the impact specimen. Before test, you can input the sample information. Click Info. And for example, the sample is V-notch or U-notch, and the name and thickness, width, depth, standard ASTM E23, and return. Okay. We quickly take out the sample from the low temperature chamber and put on the sample seat of impact tester. Then click Open and click Impact. After we finish all the tests, we will let the pendulum auto fall. First, we click Open and then click Down. Okay.